Oh, hello there. Welcome to Jay's Wonderful World of Birds. I'm glad you stopped by. It's a beautiful afternoon out here at our local pond, admiring the geese and the ducks and the many other birds. I hope you're excited for a fun-filled afternoon of birding, antics, and even more. It's already been a busy day at the local feeder here at home. We've had plenty of furry friends, that's for sure. We've seen rarities, such as the Carolina wren, a beautiful male cardinal, plenty of house sparrows, as usual, and a gaggle of dark-eyed juncos patrolling the grounds. A Eurasian collared dove stopped by, and if you believe it or not, I saw a bald eagle earlier while out on a walk. Today's episode, we'll be going to the park and seeing how many birds we can count. It's a beautiful day out there. Plenty of birds chirping, looking for mates, building their nests. I'm sure we're going to find some real rare ones. We're also going to stop by the local duck pond and check in on a few familiar faces. We'll also be stopping by the JWWB headquarters to see how our list stacks up. So grab your binoculars and let's get going. Canadian geese. What is that? It's like a couple of crows. Well, 78 degrees here at John Saxon Park, my favorite birding haunt. It is about 4:53, and let's go see what birds we can find. All right, today's target birds, the American kestrel, which is a petite falcon. It's about the size of a dove, and he eats mice, little things like that. It's pretty cool. I saw one not far from here about a month ago. Another one that we're targeting today is going to be the red-bellied woodpecker, which doesn't have a red belly at all, but it's a pretty good-sized woodpecker. Pretty cool. One of my favorites. And then my favorite bird, which is also a target bird for today, of course, because it's a target bird every day, is a painted bunting. It's a beautiful colored bird that is pretty rare around here. It's a migratory bird, but it's just about time for them to fly back north. I hear them. Can you hear them? That little chirp. I can't see them. Ruby-crowned kinglet, way up in the tree. Oh, he just flew. We're going to be making our checklist today. How do you do it? Oh, there we go. Submit checklist. It's going to track our distance, map us, and we can mark every bird that we see while we're on a walk. So we just saw the ruby-crowned kinglet, uncommon. Just saw one of those. Good start. And we did see a cardinal as well. The Bradford pears are budding out. A sign that spring is right around the corner. A mourning dove. Right there. Cleaning itself. We got something flying. It's European starlings, which are an invasive bird, not native to America. We just had 3 robins fly over. Robin, we're counting it. Robin. 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 I just heard a red-bellied woodpecker. Just heard a red-bellied woodpecker. One call. Yeah, I think it was over there. I can't really tell. It was faint. Nothing. What's that? That's a cedar waxwing. Where is that?
It just flew over.
We're gonna count it because it's such a crummy bird day. Technically, if you hear the bird, you can count it. So technically we saw a red-bellied woodpecker. We heard it. We can count it. But that's not enough for me. I'm a different breed. Ooh. We got a hawk. We got a hawk.
Where?
Do you see it?
No. Oh.
Yeah, that's a hawk. That looks like a red-shouldered hawk. He might be about to fly. Ooh, do you see it? You get a good footage? That's a red-shouldered hawk.
Where's your talk letter?
It's a red-shouldered hawk, from what I can see. Correction, it was a red-tailed hawk. So, there we go. I'm gonna say red-tailed hawk for sure. And stuff that is. Ooh, a yellow-rumped warbler. Yellow-rumped warbler just popped up. A couple weeks I was here in the same spot. I saw a yellow-bellied sapsucker. Pretty rare bird. Robin. What's that? It's a robin. We've been here a while and we haven't seen any of our target birds. So we're gonna do something that's somewhat cheating and see if it works. I heard that red-bellied woodpecker earlier and it made this sound. So we're gonna turn it on and see if we can't call it back to us. I decided we're counting the red-bellied woodpecker, even though we just heard it. We just heard a blue jay. We're gonna count it, but I didn't see it. Some kind of duck. I'm gonna say a mallard. Heard something. That little squeak. Fox sparrow. It's that little squeak. Barely hear. Squeak, squeak. Like that. We're counting it. Nothing. Northern flicker. I've never seen one. The northern flicker. We can't find it at all. But it's somewhere up there. Where is it? God, I don't know which way it's even coming from. We've been looking for the northern flicker for like 10 minutes. And we cannot find him. He's somewhere. There might be two of them, we don't know. But we're counting it. Maybe there's two.
Where is he?
On that tree. Hopping. He looks like a dove, but there he is. See him?
No. Oh.
You see him? He's hopping. There he is. I think that's it. Northern flicker. You see him? You got him?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I got him.
But we lost the northern flicker. Cool bird. He's hopping around almost like a woodpecker, hopping around on the trunks of the trees. But he's gone now. Who knows? But we saw him.
Oh my god. Coyote.
Coyote.
Coyote alert.
Coyote alert. We got a coyote.
I don't think I got him.
Did you get him?
No.
Coyote. So just saw a coyote. Ran away, obviously. But pretty cool. Can't count him as a bird, but a pretty cool bird if he was one, that's for sure. Well, we're leaving the park. No red-bellied woodpecker, no American kestrel, no painted bunting, unfortunately. But the northern flicker, pretty sweet. Ducks these are. Just your standard duck, I guess. They're all yapping though. We made a stop at the duck pond, see if there's any waterfowl to be seen. Some kind of sandpiper. It's got like a totally striped head. You see it? Can you zoom in?
I don't know what you're talking
Zoom
about.
in. It's right by the water. See that thing? Turns out those were called killdeer. We're here at the duck pond. Goose. And that little sound you hear, that's a red-winged blackbird. Never seen one before. Just identified it by sound alone, but we're gonna count it. But we're gonna see if we can find it. Hey, excuse you. What do you want? Hey, welcome into the JWWB headquarters. This is where we crunch all the data, upload all of our checklists. I uploaded our checklist from earlier, so I wanted to show you how we did. Rolling. I'm here on my birder profile. I am going to go to our list yesterday, John Saxon Park, and here's our final list. 19 total species observed. 5 Canadian geese, 2 mallards, 1 rock pigeon, 1 Eurasian collared dove, 4 mourning doves, a bald eagle, 2 red-tailed hawks, 1 red-bellied woodpecker, 1 northern flicker, 1 blue jay, 13 American crows, 1 ruby-crowned kinglet, 1 Carolina wren, 3 European starlings, 20 robins at least, 3 cedar waxwings, 1 fox sparrow, 1 yellow-rumped warbler, and 5 northern cardinals to wrap out the list. I'd say that's a pretty successful list. Thank you for joining me today on Jay's Wonderful World of Birds, and please come back next time.